In this tutorial, we're gonna talk about Python zip functionality. So first of all, you're gonna be defining two lists. Both lists should have the same number of elements. After we specify those two lists, we can use the zip functionality to zip those two lists. So by using zip and putting as arguments those two lists, you are gonna be getting a zip object. So let's run this code. You can see that the result will be a zip object at the specified memory location. So if you pass this zip object into a list function, the returning list will be a pair of elements. So each element of those two lists is gonna be paired to the other element at the specified location. So the first element of one list is gonna be paired with the first element of the other. The second element is gonna be paired with the second element of the other list. And you can find here a number of pairs. What you can do with a zip file is create pairs between different objects. And you can also iterate over a list by using a for loop. So if you print here each of the pairs, you can see a pair of A and 5. So A is the first element, 5 this is the first element for the other. And this is very useful if you want to couple also more than two lists. So here we specify for lists and we use zip to create pairs across all those lists. So instead now of a pair, we're gonna be getting a tuple and containing an element from each list, as you can see here. And this is really useful, especially on deep learning, where you want to create, for example, a dictionary. So you can zip specific characters with specific Morse codes or specify tokens. And you can do it very easily. You specify the vocabulary, you may specify the characters of Morse, you zip them across, and then by using dictionary, what you are gonna be getting is a key value pair. So this is really useful as well.